WaveLoom AI is one of the most exciting new releases in the AI software world. In this review, we'll be diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge tool. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just an AI enthusiast, you'll want to stick around till the end because I'm going to share insights that could transform how you leverage AI in your work. And just so you know, you can try WaveLoom AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. First off, WaveLoom AI is not just another software. It's a game changer for digital marketing and automation. What sets it apart is how seamlessly it integrates multiple functions, all under one roof. You can automate processes, generate content, and even manage customer interactions in a way that's never been easier or more effective. Let's talk about the core feature, its AI-powered content generation. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media captions, or email campaigns, WaveLoom's machine learning capabilities allow it to analyze your target audience and generate content tailored specifically to them. That means more engagement, more conversions, and ultimately, better results for your business. And it's done in just a fraction of the time it would take you manually. Another standout feature is the built-in analytics. WaveLoom AI doesn't just generate content, it also tracks its performance in real time. You can measure what's working and what's not, adjusting your strategy quickly without having to guess. This is invaluable for anyone running digital campaigns and looking for actionable insights to boost their performance. WaveLoom AI also simplifies automation like no other. Forget about complex workflows or tedious manual updates. The software allows you to set up and manage marketing automation sequences that run on their own. You can send personalized emails, schedule social media posts, and even follow up with leads without lifting a finger. If you're a busy marketer or small business owner, this alone is worth its weight in gold. What really makes WaveLoom stand out in the crowded AI space is its user-friendly interface. Some AI tools are daunting, but WaveLoom is designed for ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of it. Everything is intuitive and easy to navigate, so you can start using it right away without the usual learning curve. Now let's talk about customer support. One thing that's often overlooked with new software is the support you get when you run into issues. WaveLoom has you covered. Whether it's through live chat or their comprehensive knowledge base, you'll always find the help you need to get up and running quickly. Another key factor to consider is scalability. As your business grows, WaveLoom grows with you. Whether you're just getting started with a few campaigns or managing multiple brands, this software scales effortlessly to accommodate your needs. This makes it ideal for both startups and more established enterprises. And lastly, let's touch on the pricing. While WaveLoom AI provides all of these amazing features, it's surprisingly affordable, especially when you compare it to other AI tools on the market that charge much more for less functionality. Plus, if you're on the fence, you can try completely free from the link below to see if it's right for you. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've seen a lot of software come and go. But WaveLoom AI stands out not just for its features, but for the value it provides, whether you're looking to save time, boost engagement, or optimize your marketing efforts. If you're ready to give WaveLoom AI a try, remember that you can access it for free through the link below. And if you're interested in more recommendations, check out my list of AI tools in the description. After testing thousands, I've narrowed it down to the best options for anyone serious about improving their digital marketing with AI.